Hello learners, this is your math tutor simplifying the complexity of mathematics. I want to address this question which seems to trouble a good number of learners. That is to do with the shading on a Venn diagram, a given set notation. There could be many ways of figuring out how to do it, but I will demonstrate the most sure way of going about this question. Okay, so here what the examiner is interested in is knowing how you've assimilated the concepts of union set, intersection set, and also complement of a set. So how do you do it? The best way of first doing it is you come up with, or rather you draw a Venn diagram, okay, and put up the sets as given. So we have three sets given, okay, is standing for universal set. Then you have A, B, and C as given, okay, and then you can just pick numbers at random and put them, at least fill in all the spaces, okay, where the three circles, of course, given three sets appear. So there's a 3 there, a 4, a 5, a 6, 7, 8, and 9. At least you should have some numbers also outside the three sets. Then upon doing that, you try to figure out the elements, okay, that will represent the given set notation. So what could be those elements? So you first come up with the A union B complement. You figure out what the elements are, okay, given this first part of the set notation. So A union B complement simply means outside a given set. Okay, so A union B in brackets complement, we are talking about the union of A and B, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now outside we have the elements. We have the elements, that is the 7, 8, and 9. So these are the elements outside the union of A and B. And then we also have C. Okay, the elements in C, we have elements in C, we have 3, 4, 5, okay, and 7. Okay, 3, 5, and 7. So the notation that we have, or rather the operation between the two parts, you have intersection. So you ask a question, what element appears in the two notations given? So what we're able to see is the element 7. So that tells us that the part where the 7 is, that is the region that should be shaded. Okay, so this entails that this is the only part that is depicted by this given notation. Okay, so I hope that was well understood. It was clear and you'll not have problems. So you can do the same thing even for the other questions. It's not something that is complicated or difficult. So after you've done that, of course, you conclude by shading this region. So you can use the same approach to answer all the questions. If you learn something in this tutorial video, please subscribe so that I can record more videos that will help you.